Hello, English 201. Welcome to week 14. This is it. Last week of class, we are almost finished. We're going to use all of this week and next week to get all the final things done and turned in. But I want to show you an extra credit opportunity that you're going to have. So here you are at the Pfeiffer Library site, and for this extra credit opportunity, you'd be watching something, writing a little something about it, and getting up to 1 or 2 daily grade lowest grades replaced with an A. So here's the deal, and it'll be in writing too, but this is to show you how to find the source. Go under databases, like you're doing to find sources for your paper. Go under K, and you will find, I'm trying to find how to, can't quite get it to show you what I want it to show you here, but Canopy is the first one listed under K. This is the description of it, and the word Canopy is right up here where you can't see. Click on Canopy. It's a database for like documentaries and video type sources. So you have to log in like you do if you're off campus, as we all are right now. Okay, now let me kind of jump right in. So maybe it will you too. Okay, you're looking for, put in the name Jackson Katz, K-A-T-Z. And this is what you're looking for, this Tough Guys, Violence, Media, and the Crisis in Masculinity. So you can imagine why I'm picking that. I've followed Jackson Katz's work for a long time. Brilliant guy. He originally started doing work like this back, well, I don't know when he started, but the first documentary he made was in the 90s, and it was amazing. And this one is updated to include a little more contemporary images and such, but he has a definite theory about something that happened mid 20th century with masculinity, which is obviously pertinent to our topic in the last 2 texts that we've read. So the extra credit assignment is essentially going to be to watch this documentary and make as many connections as you can make to different texts that we read. You don't have to stick to the 2 20th century ones, but any of the texts that we read. And I'll write out under extra credit assignments some real particular criteria for if you're trying to get 1 low grade replaced, or if you really want to be stellar and get 2 low grades replaced, maybe about how much work you'd have to do here. Obviously, with extra credit, it is foolish to spend time on this and take time away from finishing a lesson before dying, that discussion board, your critical article if you're doing one for that, and your paper. That's the primary work, and those are all assignments. The paper definitely, that's worth a lot of the weight in the class. So don't take time away from that to do this. But if you find yourself having some extra time or up really late at night and you don't feel like work, but you feel like you could watch something, this might be an opportunity. And I'm really thinking of people who got zeros because they had trouble with the transition to online, or just had some kind of crisis moment where they missed whole assignments. If you're super anal and want to get your 85 to a 95, go for it. You can do it too. There's no limits on who can do it. But this is how you get there. Library databases, K for Canopy, search for Jackson Katz, or search for this title, Tough Guys, and it should get you here. And then the details of what you write up, I'll put in writing. Okay, so hope this is helpful for some of you. Bye-bye.